Number 1. Freelancing. If you can write, design, or code, sites like Upwork and Fiverr connect you with clients worldwide. Start small, build reviews, and grow your income month by month. Number 2. Content creation. You don't need millions of followers to earn. Create videos, share knowledge, or make short motivational clips. Brands pay for trust and creativity. Number 3. Print on demand. Design a shirt once and earn every time someone buys. Platforms like Printify and Redbubble do the printing and shipping for you. Number 4. Teach what you know. Turn your skills into a course or ebook on Udemy or Gumroad and earn passive income for months. Number 5. Affiliate marketing. Recommend products you love, share your link, and earn a commission when people buy. Simple, honest, and scalable. Number 6. AI services. Use tools like ChatGPT or Midjourney to create content, art, or ads for clients, and charge for your time and creativity. And number 7. Micro jobs. Websites like User Testing and Remote Tasks pay you to test apps, tag photos, and complete quick jobs from your phone. So there you go, 7 real ways to make money online in 2025. Start small, stay consistent, and your side hustle could become your full-time income. The internet isn't slowing down, so why should you?